to lose all the bubbles. Just put it on my baking tray. This is a big dough. I'm going to score it and throw it in the oven. I have my bread going on, baking in the oven, and I'm going to make a few introductions here. Bear with me. This is my discard. I've had it in the fridge since Saturday. Today is Thursday. This is all I've gotten from my mother dough. This stays in the fridge. As I get the discard and it builds up, I just leave it in the fridge. But today I'm going to use it to bake. I have a few orders that I've gotten, and I'm going to make some few breads. So this is very important. I don't need to feed my starter to make a fresh active starter. I'm just going to use my discard for all the bread that I need to make, or all the bakings. This is my mother dough. This never goes into the fridge. It stays on the counter, on the tabletop, and ever since I made my mother dough, also known as sourdough starter, I've always kept it on the table, on the counter. So I'm just going to refresh. That means I'm just going to feed it again this morning. And this is my tea. And I am Shim. Welcome back. Oh, wow. Okay. My niece is joining me in the kitchen today, so I'm going to swap and give her this apron. This has my name, so I think it's kind of more appropriate for me to wear this while she wears the red one. You like this, huh? You like the red? It goes with your black. Okay. Yay. Professional. Okay, 55 grams. Oops. Let me remove the steel. Mix this, and then I'm going to leave it for 4 hours like this.
So what is this one for?
This is for the cinnamon rolls. That's milk, starter, and brown sugar.
You're not going to add. You're not going to add flour.
No, after 4 hours.
Oh.
Then I will mix everything together. Yeah, that's enough. want to fold it in. Push it in. Yep. Yeah. Let's see what it looks like. This is like some serious work.
Why is this so tough to cut it?
The crust.
She has to do it.
Yep, I missed some parts. Are you trying to tell me something? No. I can't hear you. No. Did you hear what he said?
I didn't hear that.
How would you know?
Okay, so you spread cinnamons. But you should need cinnamon rolls and spoon. There is no need on it. It says this thing inside because I was cooking outside. So I moved this thing. I moved this thing in my mom. Next one.
Okay. How does that feel? Remember my story?
Yeah. Must you always do?
That's how it was.
It's hot, man. Life is
Okay. Did you say so?
I think you should stop facing it. You should do something It's been a busy day, but my day is going well. I'm about to pop this into the oven. As you can see, today is really hot and my proofing is going crazy right now. So let me just quickly start putting this. This has a few more hours to go, but today is going well.
Ooh. Cola.